friends, it's Amy Tangerine. I am thrilled to take you along on a little journey that involves creativity, a beloved children's book, and some unexpected adventures with some very special guests. Yes, you're seeing this right. There's Zooey Deschanel and Zachary Levi. Throughout this journey, I'll share insights and show you how I captured the excitement in my journal/memory planner. But first, if you haven't already, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave any questions or comments below. Let's start from, I guess, the beginning. We received two very special invitations from Sony Pictures, both celebrating the release of, you guessed it, Harold and the Purple Crayon. The first was a unique challenge. Jack was asked to draw a friend for Harold, a character that would then be transformed into a real-life stuffed animal by the amazing folks at Budsies. How cool is that? Stay tuned because I'll be revealing Jack's creation later on in the video. The second invitation was for the exclusive purple carpet screening event for the film, which will be out in theaters on August 2nd. Now, we get invited to quite a few of these screenings and previews, but honestly, I don't know how it happens, though I am extremely grateful and love that I get to share some of these experiences with you.
Thank you so much. This is a very special day for me, for all of us. It's been, I think, 2 years since we started this journey, and I'm very happy that we're able to share with everybody this very special project. You know, I read the book to my kids, and I was very fortunate to be able to tell the story. More than anything, this movie wouldn't be possible without these guys here. Zach, Dan, Rel, Zoe, they made it happen. They brought this crayon to life. They brought this project to life.
Tanya and the crew that we had in Atlanta too. Everybody that was in Atlanta. Thank you to everybody.
Some of them are here. Jermaine is in New Zealand. He's our Gary. Thank you guys. So enjoy the show.
I should back up even more. The morning of the screening, I realized that Jack didn't have anything that was purple, so I went ahead and took a black t-shirt, drew a little design, and hand-stitched it. It was a short but sweet message. If I had had more time, I think I would have done a crayon or some other things, but I'm so glad that they had activities like airbrush tattoos. Of course, I had to get one with a rainbow. We all truly loved the movie. I'll go a little bit more in depth about it as I'm walking you through how I documented it in my Hobonichi. One of my favorite things to do is to print photos on this Canon IV2. You can easily use the app and choose 3 photos for your layout. My intention is to just select 3 that I know I want to keep together instead of cutting apart. I found it super easy to zoom in, to crop, however you want to arrange the photos. And once you decide you're ready, then you just hit this little print in the top right corner. But it looks like I need to load more paper. This is a great opportunity for me to show you how easy it is. I have extra zinc paper here, and I just open it up, and it's pretty simple. You just follow the directions that match the illustration, keep it all together, and put the blue sheet down first, and it goes in like so. Now attaching the cover back on, and it clicks a little bit. Once the light is on, it will spit out the blue paper first, and this is something that you can simply throw away. You don't need to save it, and it takes about a minute for it to print out fully. This printer is known for its compact design and zinc, which is zero ink technology, which allows for vibrant, smudge-proof prints, and personally, I love the instant gratification, as well as the fact that they have a sticky back. Once it's finished printing, I do try to make a habit to turn off the printer right away. This way I can maximize the amount of prints I can get off of a charge. All right, now I'm taking the purple crayon that we got from the crayon collection and this coloring sheet as well, and I'm going to start collaging onto this page. I like to cut out the elements first so that I can see what I'm working with. I love keeping all kinds of stuff. I'm going to cut out this moose as well. Remember that big box that Jack could not wait to open at the beginning? It came with this activity book as well as other goodies that I cannot wait to show you. I'm going to peel off the backing for this sticker print. And because the design is perfect, I don't have to cut it apart or anything. It's going to go right there. Then I'll take these elements and use a tape runner to glue them in place. Funny thing, Jack looks forward to the previews in movies, and we didn't get to see any because it was a screening, and so they just jumped into the movie. These were our wristbands, well, mine at least, and I made it into a little banner to glue down right there. This is the Tombow Funosuke that I love using for title work. And let's talk about the movie for a second. This film isn't just for kids. It's truly a celebration of creativity and imagination. And can you hear me smiling? It's a celebration, right? And it'll captivate anyone with a spark for adventure. The animation is so vibrant, the characters are incredibly charming, and the story is so heartwarming. And I laughed out loud many times. So whether you're an artist or simply love a good story, especially one that's a book that I've read to Jack, I don't know, countless times. We read it to Juniper now. You have to go see this movie. Do yourself a favor, mark your calendars for August 2nd. It's a must-see for everyone who believes in the magic of dreaming big. We are already all so happy, and then the kids got vanilla gelato that was purple from Cart Collective, and it was so yummy. I'm going to take these stamps that I've had for a very long time, probably since 2007, I'm guessing. So I'm not sure if they're available. I don't even know if they're vintage. I think the packaging, let's see, the packaging says Yosogo. So if I do happen to have the link, I will include it below. But I know I use the word amazing often, but I couldn't think of a better one to stamp here. Do you have a word like that? Let me know in the comments, as I tend to use amazing and awesome quite a bit. It was awesome how Harold and his friends took us on a whimsical journey throughout the real world, and you really can't help but be drawn into it. The whole movie is incredibly imaginative. Plus, did you know the movie was filmed in Atlanta? I guess you might have heard Zachary say that in the beginning, but it's also where I lived for 10 years. It's a city that's close to my heart, and seeing its charm captured on screen throughout adds an extra layer of magic to me personally. The whole movie is fun and vibrant, although there were a couple of parts where Juniper, who is 3.5, got a bit scared and needed to sit on my lap. The story unfolded beautifully, though, bringing Harold's Purple Crayon adventures to life in a way that was so visually stunning. The characters who you see, and even one that you don't, were all incredibly charming and full of heart. And the story, it's such an amazing testament to the power of imagination and believing in possibilities. I didn't leave myself a whole lot of space for journaling, so I wrote, Sony Pictures invited us to the exclusive Purple Carpet screening event, and it was truly incredible. We all loved the movie. So funny, lovely, entertaining, and creative. One of the things that I didn't realize was that it was going to be such a big screening event. I knew some of the actors were supposed to be there, but I just had no idea that it was like the screening. Now here is the latest printable, and it's called Color Shine. I'm taking the purple heart here, cutting it out. I printed it on Avery transparent sticker paper, but I can also recommend a sticker paper that is amazing to use that somebody else recommended to me that is actually very well priced too, that you can just print at home. I'll put those links below. What I love about designing printables is that you from anywhere around the world can access them and print them out in the comfort of your own home. So we got orders from Singapore, all throughout Europe, Australia, New Zealand. It was so incredible. I'm taking this washi tape, and this is from Altenew. It's a favorite of mine for a long time, and I'm just tearing it in different spots. Of course, I could just go ahead and draw these black dots, but I really like the effect of this washi tape. Taking a pair of scissors and cutting off the edge, or trimming off the edge right there. And then I have one last piece that almost fits perfectly right above the hooray. Nice. I love when things work out that way. One more little bit of journaling. Purple vanilla gelato for dessert. Let's open this package. What do you think that is? Is your tattoo still on?
Barely, no.
Yeah? You were sweating too much? Oh no, mine's still on. Why? Because I didn't run around splitting. I need to, but what do we think? My goodness, look at this. It's a door. Okay, before we see it, this was Jack's sketch done with pencil and paper. Then we took a picture of it, brought it into the iPad. He finished it off with coloring it, and he wanted duck slippers. So I did that part. It was sent off to Budsies, and then we got this package from Sony Pictures. Look at those ducky slippers. I can't even take it. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. What else is in here? Are you kidding me? Wait, no way. Look at it. You didn't even see it. And the other one probably says your sister's name, right? So heavy.
I know, right?
You're so lucky.
My very own box of crayons. Thank you so much. It's so cute. I love them.
Budsies will take your drawing and make it into a real stuffed animal. How fun was that? Thank you so much for watching and joining us on this colorful journey. I hope you're as excited as I am to experience the magic of creativity and imagination on screen. Don't forget to mark your calendars for August 2nd and catch this heartwarming film in theaters. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more adventures. I used to do videos like this all the time. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Until next time, keep dreaming big and embracing your own creative adventures.